doing put my fuel tank back together. Did that tonight. Yeah. Gonna put the new fuel pump in. It's all inserted in the tank. It's all ready to go. Not gonna button it up on the bike tonight. Just gonna get the tank ready. So, also let me know if you guys like the time lapse. I don't mind mixing it up. The time lapses are kind of getting repetitive for me, but honestly, I haven't thought of another way to make these videos. Make them more interesting, at least. That's also another thing is I'm not really doing a how-to on this bike build just because I'm not no John Maxwell or anyone like that. I did go to school for motorcycle service technology, but it's still like basically, if you have any troubles, if you're installing anything, just let me know. I can try to help you out. I'll try to respond to many of you guys as possible. But yeah, I'm still kind of new to, I don't know, not necessarily new, but not professional. It was a hobby, I guess. Welcome to Delirious, the Delirious How-To channel. Today, I'm going to teach you guys how to install a new fuel pump and install the fuel assembly inside a gas tank. Nah, I'm just kidding. It's going to be another time lapse. Yeah, that fuel pump really kicked my ass last night. It was a pain in the ass to put in. But at least we got it there. Part the fuel pump or the fuel tank. I must have just ripped. I don't know if this already came like this when I bought the bike, or if when I took the fuel pump, the gas tank off, I just ripped these out of the connector. But I'm not 100% sure. So I've been trying to figure out how to put this back into a connector. I'm not sure what connector it goes into, but this is awful footage, but alright, so that is the connector right here. I know you can't really see it right here, so I'm gonna figure out how to take that out and then hopefully figure out how to rewire it. If not, we're not gonna have a fuel gauge, so yeah, we'll get that figured out. Alright, so that cleared up a lot of space looking up that tank like that. Looks pretty freaking weird. The tank popped up, but this is the connector. Yeah. So I'm gonna try to take that apart. Alright, so that cleared up a lot of space looking up that tank like that. Looks pretty freaking weird. The tank popped up, but this is the connector. Yeah. So I'm gonna try to take that apart. That's easy. So it goes in like this. Orange is on the way outside. We'll do this connector here. Yeah. So I also looked up service manual. On the connectors of the highlighter right here. This is the fuel gauge. Basically how you read this is connector 117A. You got your wires going 1, 2, and 4. You go up, and here's like your main wiring diagram.
And I have it highlighted right here. It's 117B, so that's your fuel pump and sender assembly. Oh wait, oh no. That's 141B. It's this one right here. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but yeah. So that's how you read kind of a schematic in the very blunt end of it, but yeah, let's see if we can get this connector wired up. I don't know if that's gonna work or not. We'll see when I start the bike up, but yeah, I think that's gotta be it. I don't think there's much more to it, really, but yeah. Like I said, we'll figure that out when I start the bike. Hid the indicator lights, or also known as the idiot lights. This guy right here, because obviously I don't have stock handlebars on this bike, so there's no place to put them. And for some reason, when Harley came out with this bike, they put the indicators on the handlebar clamps, and I'm too cheap to spend $100 on a relocation bracket. So I'm not just gonna not use them. I think that's my plan. I don't know. Oh. Okay. So I'm gonna wait on that. I'm actually gonna hide all the wires, pull them back. Alright, so got the tank bolted in. Now I'm just gonna tuck some wires. Yeah, you just gotta tuck them up into here. I'm probably not gonna videotape it because honestly that's just not interesting. It's gonna probably just be an hour of me just struggling really hard to put these wires in, so probably just tuck these. I'm gonna end it here. Thanks for watching, guys. Smash that subscribe button, and if you guys want to check out next episode, I got a new project. I cannot wait to show you guys. Peace.